Hello everyone, welcome to Moti's Kitchen. I am Rajendra Moite. People know me as a chef Monty. I am working as an executive chef last 25 years, one of the best restaurants in Dublin. I am starting my cooking channel and this is my first video, and I am going to make today one of the best dish from Rajasthan, that's called Lal Maas. Let's start the marination with ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder and pink salt. Let's start the cooking. Cover the lid and let close 20 to 30 minutes for cooking. After 25 to 30 minutes, texture will be like this. Now we will add these spices. That's the chili paste, little chili powder, small garam masala, and that's it. Close lid 5 minutes to 6 minutes and your lal maas will be ready. It's 5 minutes now and the lal maas is ready. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.